Have you heard the saying, where your attention goes, your energy flows? The same applies to vision boards. A vision board is not just a collage of pictures, it's a powerful tool to shape your future. By putting your goals, dreams, and aspirations into a visual format, you create a daily reminder of what you're working for. In this video, I'll break down how Vision Board helps you to achieve your goals, why they work, and how you can create one for yourself. So stay tuned. Vision boards are different for everyone because we all have unique dreams and aspirations. As humans, we are highly visual beings. If someone describes to you an event that they attended, your brain instantly starts creating mental images of that event to better understand their experience, even though you had not attended that event. This ability to visualize helps you to gain clarity and better understand their story. This is exactly why a vision board works, because it hacks your brain by creating mental rehearsal of the things that truly matter to you. From the moment we wake up, we are bombarded with millions of pieces of information, leading to noise and overload. Amid this chaos, a vision board acts as an anchor, bringing clarity and focus to things that truly matters. There is a part of the brain called reticular activating system that subconsciously filters incoming information and decides what is worth elevating to conscious processing. For example, the moment you decide to buy a red car, you'll start noticing red cars everywhere. It is not that the number of red cars has suddenly increased, but your reticular activating system is highlighting them because your brain is actively focused on that specific detail. This is why a vision board works. The occipital lobe of the brain, which is dedicated to visual processing, strengthens the impact of images you see daily. When you create a vision board and attach strong emotions to it, you are signaling your ass what is important to you. This makes you more likely to notice opportunities, ideas, and steps that align with your goals. Vision board is a tool for focus and awareness. The more you look at your vision board, the more you prime your subconscious to highlight the steps on your journey toward achieving your goal. Imagine you see a watch online and you really like it and you decide to buy it. So you place it in your wish list. However, this month's salary is already been allocated to other expenses, including your savings and investments. Since you have placed this watch in your wish list, you subconsciously prioritize it for next month. This also means that you won't spend your money on unnecessary things because you have already decided that this watch is worth having. The same applies to your attention. Whatever you focus on, your energy flows toward. A vision board helps you to direct your energy toward what truly matters. The process of making a vision board itself requires courage because that self-sabotaging voice can creep in and ask, are you sure you really want to put that on your vision board? This happens because those dreams might seem to be too big or even unrealistic. The resistance to putting them on the vision board often comes from a fear of failure. Your dreams might seem to be out of reach because of the self-limiting beliefs that you might be holding. Like, I'm not enough, I'm not smart enough, I'm not intelligent enough, I'm not equipped enough to achieve those goals. But the moment you place them on your vision board, you're already making a progress in leaving those limiting beliefs behind and also opening yourself up to new possibilities. This is how a vision board helps you to expand your mind and see the bigger picture in greater detail. As you slowly see your dreams becoming reality, you realize that it is not the vision board in itself that made it happen, but it is your belief. That is why a vision board is such a powerful tool in achieving your goals, because it helps you to see the possibilities of achieving them. Many times people avoid dreaming big because they fear failure. A vision board helps you to confront your fears, and once those mental blocks are cleared, achieving your goals becomes much more easier. So be as unrealistic as you can, because your vision board has to make sense only to you and nobody else. There are two things you need to make a vision board: pictures that resonate with you and a board to place them on. First, go on Pinterest and search for images that align with your goals. For example, if you have travel goals, find pictures that inspire you. These images should be meaningful and speak to you in some way. Next, open the Canva app or visit its website and click create a design. In the search bar, type canvas or poster to find a suitable size. Right now I've selected a 20 into 16 inch landscape board. Once you have selected your board, start arranging your pictures in a layout you like. You can also add quotes that inspire you. Make sure everything on your vision board feels personal and meaningful. The outcome would look something like this depending on your interest and your goals. So this is how you make a vision board. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.